Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will sort your trading. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. And make sure to turn that bell to all, so when there is a new video, going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we're giving free signals. The link of them is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today, after the CPI data, it came very good today. The expectation, it used to be 4.1 and it came to 4. That very good news here for US economic. Should we be excited now? Not yet. And I write a long article in my Telegram and my Discord. I'll tell you what's going to happen. Today, there is the Fed meeting and interest rate, and all of us will tell you what's going to happen. We told you the Fed is going to pause that month, because the inflation is showing it's falling down. But we need to be careful and listen very careful about what Jerome Powell is going to say at the press conference. Because at the press conference, Jerome Powell is going to tell us what they are going to do for next month, if they are going to increase interest rate more or no, because till now the goal of them is not 4, is 2%. Everything is too clear, guys. And here in the daily, should we enter long, should we enter short? Till now there is nothing yet here in the daily. Look at it, that the level me I told you before you need to be focused about. Till now it hasn't getting broke here and it hasn't getting broke down. I know for some people, for long-term investors, it's boring, but that's how is it investing? Investing, all of it is boring. So you need to be sitting and waiting. That opportunity doesn't come to you every day. It's going to come, but you need to wait till the right time. And here I show you here in the daily, we got here that wage like that. As you see, it's still here. Nothing was changed. Still no, we haven't broken above here for us to enter long, and we haven't broken down here for us to enter short. So everything's still looking the same here. And another thing very important here in the daily is that one is our indicator. You remember it, people, they been with us, they know our indicator. Our indicator is enter here in the daily to oversold area. Should we enter long here at that place? Because look at it, us, we are here at the oversold area. Level us, we are in a very stronger level, as you see it here, that the supply and demand zone here and here. Should we enter long? The only thing we can tell us to enter long is the price action, is that one. It's need the market to go back up and to break here for us to enter long. At this time there is nothing yet. You need to wait in more, guys. And I show you before the moving averages. We don't need to show it to you even now. Now it's going to see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clarity. So it's going there. The coming news for today, as you see it, we got a very busy day. As you see it today, got a very busy day. We got that PPI. That one is very important. Then we got that economic projection of USA. If OMC statement, the Fed interest rate decision. And that one, the most important one is that one. And the FOMC press conference, that one at 6 GMT time and 6:30 GMT time. Those ones you need to be careful about them. Interest rate, may I tell it to you from now, they are not going to increase interest rate. As you see it, 5.25 is going to stay 5.25. They are not going to increase interest rate because the inflation is falling down. Very good. But what he going to say here, that what is going to tell us if they are going to increase more or no. Because everyone, all the economist people, they said they are going to increase after that pause in that month. In July, they are going to increase because till now the goal of them is 2% inflation, and the inflation in USA is still 4%. Everything is too clear, guys. So if you are scalper and day trader, don't try to open any trade tomorrow. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day here. Look at it here, what it's telling us till now. US stocks today, they're giving us a new high. The SP 500, a new high. Me personally, I'm making very nice profit from the SP 500. I'm going to make something for you, even you to start earning with me in the US stocks. But for US stocks, it's only for investment. There is no day trading or something like that, because the US market, it doesn't open 24/7 like Bitcoin and Forex. That way also we don't day trade it. And here, look at it, everything's still green today. Today the SP 500 gave us a new high. That's very good news. The VIX here today, it fell down. Yesterday we used to be 15 because people they being scared of the CPI data. CPI data, it came very good today. That's why you see it fall down again. And even today the interest rate, but we need to be careful about Jerome Powell, what he's going to say, what is going to do to the market. Everything is too clear, guys. And here even US dollar, it's falling down. So the market, everything's still looking good. The Bitcoin, it doesn't going up because that ECC or that Gary Gensler, what he doing against the market. But today, I just posted now in my Telegram, the judge, he said they are not going to freeze the assets of Binance US. That's good news for crypto market in general, but that problem, it needs to be sorted out, because now at those moments now, it's need the Bitcoin to going up, because US dollar is falling down, inflation is falling down, US market, all of them, they being correlated to each other. All US stocks, they are going up, but the Bitcoin is still falling down. That bad news, guys. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Here, what else we said? We came here to that peak, that one, and we do it like that. And down here, we do it like that. Like that, how we done it. Yes or no? And what we said? We said we got here a very clear triangle here. Yes or no? Tell me that triangle is getting broke. No, not yet. It hasn't getting broke here. So there is no entry long. It got broke down. Not yet. Look at it. It doesn't get broke up. It doesn't get broke down. So there is nothing yet, guys. Here in the 4 hours, something very important. Let me show it to you. Look at that. That one here, the blue one, is the 200 moving average. The red one is the 100 moving average. Where we are? We are in a downtrend, guys. Look at it. If you came and you zoom out like that and you see it, where it started. Look at it. You see it or no? It started from here, where we used to be in the top here. Tell now what that telling us. It's telling us we are in a downtrend. And as I mentioned before, what did I told you? I told you US dollar, it's falling down. US economic, it's doing very well. US stocks, all of them, they are going up. Why the Bitcoin doesn't go up with them? Because they are correlated to each other, because the Bitcoin doesn't go up because the war from the ECC or Gary Gensler against the crypto world, and that war, it started against Coinbase and Binance in America. That's why you see the Bitcoin is still falling down, or there is no investors yet, or there is no big whales yet. Everyone is sitting and watching what's going to happen. Everything is too clear, guys. Here now let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we still here. There is no power to break that wall here, as you see it. And down here, now the Bitcoin, he tried to give us here an uptrend like that, as you see it. That one here, you remember what me I show it to you? That one here is getting broke here. In that place here, exactly, it's getting broke here. You see it or no? Now, what shall we do? We need to wait in the break to happen here for us to make a decision based on that. You remember yesterday I showed you that flag, I'm coming to it. And now I'll show you we got there a triangle very clear there. So now we are going to wait. If it's going to get broke up, we're going to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. Here we are, that our indicator. You remember yesterday, guys, here I show you we got here a flag like that very clear flag. You can find it even in thumbnail of the video like that. That flag, it getting broke up here. No, not yet. Also we've been waiting all the whole day for it to get broke. It doesn't. It's getting broke down here. No, not yet. And now here we got a new price action like that. If you came to that one like that, and down here to those ones like that, what you got here? A very clear triangle as you see it. Should we enter long? Not yet. The flag doesn't get broke down, and the triangle doesn't get broke down or up. At least it needs to be broken here for us to enter along to where it needs to be the take profit for that one. Let me show you exactly where, guys. Take profit of that one, it needs to be here in the top of that channel I just showed you before. You remember it, that channel or no? People they been with us, they remember it. If we break in here, that triangle here, that one here, if we break in the top of it here, take profit, it needs to be the top of that channel here, because the top of that channel here, we don't know if it's going to break it. If we break it, yes, that means the market is going to go more higher. If we haven't break it from here, it's going to fall down again. Here down, everything is telling us maybe the market is going to reverse upward. Should we enter long? Tell the price action telling us that. Everything is too clear, guys. Here, now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel with how you can growing up, so please go ahead and do it. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, I show you here. We got here a flag. I just show it to you. I'm going to show it to you again. Now here, we got here a double bottom here, as you see it. And that double bottom is breaking here, the neckline here. Technically, should and will never give you a signal to enter long. Why I haven't give you here a signal to enter long, guys? I haven't give you here a signal to enter long. And as I told you today, there is the interest rate decision is coming. That's why there is no entry long, no entry short. It's the best thing to do now is to keep your capital, to still waiting. When there is a storm coming, you need to hide. That's what you need to do at this time, because you don't know. It might is going to move a little bit here, then from here is going to fall down like that, then to go up here. Look, when it came here, the CPI data here, what the market done here. Also, we used to have a stop loss here. All of it's being hit here and it's being fall down till here. A lot of moves here. By the way, for some people, they been with us. Me yesterday, we used to have here a triangle like that, exactly like that. When it's getting broke here, I told them to close the short. They enter from here to here. It's not even 1% from your capital. The stop loss of you, it's being here. Some people they said they lose. Some people they said they haven't closed it. So that one is a mistake from you, my friend. You need to learn. When we told you to close it, also we tell you to close it because of a reason. We know what's going to happen. Here now, for now, what we got here at that level here. Let me show you here. You got here that flag. I showed it to you in yesterday's video. We don't need to repeat it. Look at it now. It's more accurate now. You see it or no? It's very high accurate now. Should we enter short? Should we enter long now here? Not yet. It's not till the interest rate decision passed. Everything is too clear, guys. So today what shall we do? Nothing. We just need to wait in the market to move on its way. Just need to sit and watch it. It's our indicator. What it's saying? Our indicator is telling us we are here at the oversold area. And here I show you the market. It gave me here a double bottom here. Maybe the market is going to go up till here, till the top of that flag. Should we enter long? No, my friend. At this time, no. You need to remember to be disciplined like that. When there is a danger coming, you don't need to open any trade. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please make sure to smash that like button, write down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.